Fuck. Are you trying to kill me?
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do makeup on my boyfriend. This is Saish, in case you don't know. He's there in all of my vlogs. So yeah, I've done makeup on him before, but I did not film it. Like around 2 years back, I had done makeup on him. And I'm gonna do it again, but this time I'm filming it. So without a further ado, let's get started. It looks bad. So first I'm using this moisturizer. It's by Ordinary and it's mattifying. So, and his skin is oily. That's how I'm applying this. He's sweating. Ew. Ew, he's sweating so much. Oh, shit. His new shirt. And his skin is very oily, and also he has a lot of open pores. So I'm using this pore minimizing primer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna apply it where he has a lot of pores. It will just smoothen his pores. I've never even applied this much primer on my own face. I'm finishing it on him. And he's really pale, so for the foundation I'm taking the lightest shade I have. Your job is to check if you are in the frame, okay? Hope you're listening what I'm saying. And he has really dark circles. So first I'm going to take this really dark concealer shade to correct, kind of, putting very little. And on top I'm going to use a lighter shade of concealer, just a little bit, because his eye bags are so loose and it's all wrinkly. He looks like an old man.
It's a little bit.
Yes. You should see other YouTubers how much they put. And to set everything, I'm using this Maybelline loose powder. Just gonna spray some Fix Plus on him so that it doesn't look cakey. How did it feel? Next I'm going to fill in his eyebrows. His eyebrows are pretty dark, so I'm not filling them in exactly, just kind of shaping them. Oops, too dark. I'm just gonna fill some spots in his beard. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Huda Beauty. How do I look from side? Tell me if I look bad now.
There's nothing.
Okay, I'll put more.
2 hours later.
Can you see now?
No.
Huh?
But it's...
Very less?
I'm blind. I'm blinded by this light.
Thank you. Oh, I thought I'm the light. Is it enough?
I don't know. You are the makeup artist.
You only said you can't see anything. That's why I put
Because
more.
of the light, not because of...
Okay, I'll put more.
What?
Fine, huh? Choose a shimmery shade which you want. That's a glitter shade.
Then you have to first tell me what a shimmery shade
Okay,
is.
except that won't go with that color. Okay, I'll use the other one. Sorry. Then
Why do you even ask?
just. I mixed your color by the way, whichever you told me.
He looks so pretty. He looks like a matte makeup artist since he's wearing black also.
Do you want kajal?
No.
Eyelashes.
No.
Mascara.
No.
Mascara, yes. Obviously. It has to be there.
It has to be removed within 5 seconds.
I'll remove after the video. We are going out like this, I'm telling you.
Since when?
Just gonna put nude pencil in his lower waterline. Open eyes.
What the fuck is a lower waterline? I
Khalsi.
can't keep it like that.
Open. Wait, it won't take much time. Sorry. Open this.
Are you trying to kill me or something? Oh, I can't do it.
Just one sec. Zala. Almost there. Ooh. It's like putting kajal for a baby. Mascara कहाँ है? Mascara कहाँ है? By the way, my mascara is over. Oh, close. I mean, you have असं उघड आणि असं बंद कर. हां. Close. No, forget. Close. Just close. Oh wait, I forgot to curl. His eyelashes are so long.
Fuck!
What?
Are you trying to kill me?
Okay, forget. No curling thing.
Fuck.
What happened?
It's paining.
Sorry. What did I poke your?
You pulled my eyelash.
I thought skin.
Even my barber doesn't hurt me.
Your what?
Barber.
He cuts your neck.
This new one doesn't.
2-3 times it has happened. His barber cut his neck. Literally, it was bleeding. What if he's watching the video?
Yeah.
Oops! She always do this. One mascara on his nose.
Smells like Asian paints.
Why only Asian?
Because that's the only smell I know.
Open. Open for lower lashes.
I can't do it.
Just tiny bit. Okay. His lashes are so long. I wish I had such long glasses. अभी हम करेंगे bronzer. Do you want eyeliner?
No.
Good thing because I don't know how to put eyeliner. Now I'm gonna put. Shit, why are there balls in? I'm gonna put hula bronzer. थोड़ा इकडे वर so that they can see. Hey, where is that brush from now? It's gonna contour his nose. He hates blush. He hates blush on me.
Sorry, no.
थोड़ा सा. You won't even come to me. Time for highlighter. Show your this side. Your high cheeks. Ew. Too much highlight, too much. Lot of powder, it's very chunky. See, that's why I shouldn't use cheap makeup. Fuck, it's going all over the place. Too much highlight here. Last step, lipstick.
No.
Nude. It's your favorite lipstick.
It
You
has
have,
to
you
go.
have tried it before. When I bought this lipstick, he had tried it and he liked it.
It has to go.
Okay. He tries always, like he always tries my
I
new
don't.
lipsticks. He does.
I don't.
He does.
Maybe in your dreams.
No. It's such a nice lip shape.
Thought it was nude. Why does it look like pink?
It is nude. It is nude pink. Where's the lipstick? Oh shit, it looks too pinky, right? Wait, I'll make it nude. Finally, just gonna spray. Abhi you have to pose. Come. No, pose like this, like how I do. See, like this. Like pose like that, like a model. Arey, you have to close your eyes and slowly open. Open. Come closer.
Hold. You mean like this?
Yes,
Hold this.
like this. Not like that. You're not Kareena बिल्कुल. थोड़ा सा side pose. इधर का side pose. And your beard. See, I've done such a great job. He looks so pretty.
Hi Rohit.
Why Rohit? Huh? Oh yeah, sure. He's watching this video. It's his best friend. Okay, he's not his best friend. You like?
Are we done?
Did you like? Do you
No, I'm
don't?
never doing
Hey, shut up. You have to do mine now. Not now. Some other. See mirror if you want.
Fuck, I look ugly. Like
You
a.
look pretty. Close your
I
eyes.
thought you were gonna make me a Pokemon character or something. What the fuck is this?
I don't even watch Pokemon.
You should.
I don't watch such things.
Okay.
What do you think?
Wash it, please.
What do you think of his makeup? Let me know in the comments down below. He looks so pretty. So pretty. Let me look at you. We didn't click pictures. Thank God. Before washing it, I remember. Otherwise, there would be no thumbnail. Okay, so yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we did not. That's why I was telling you we should do a Q&A. But then I thought it would be too long. So yeah, he did not speak anything during this video, but if you would want him to speak, we can do a separate Q&A video or something, है ना?
No.
So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.
Peace.
थोड़ा सा summary है ना? He looks so pretty.
What are you doing?
Test.
No,
Test.
no test. Give me my napkin.
What is no test? What is sound doesn't become?
Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Because I'm not gonna talk
Test.
anything.
You are.
No.
How will the video be entertaining? You have to crack jokes. You have to be yourself.
My silence will be entertaining.
Please. These are bloopers, by the way.
No.
You have to
I'm
talk.
gonna report you.
Please. You have to talk. Look so nice. I look too big in front of you. You will talk now.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, you have to look in front.
Fuck off.
थोड़ा सा तिकड़े सा रखना, like I'm not there in this.
I'm supposed to be in the center, you fucking bitch.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do makeup on my boyfriend. You have to introduce. This is Saish. Say hi. Talk na. He's not gonna speak a word. Please na yaar. See, it doesn't become proper then.
Do you want to do or not?
Listen, in every video the boyfriend talks something and it becomes funny.
This is gonna be where I don't talk anything and it will be funny.
Please talk now.
What the Are you even a makeup artist?
I'm set. I'm wiping your set.
I'll do it. You don't have to.
Please wait. Talk.
I'm not talking. If you wanna do or I'm doing. Fucking bitch, just do it now.
Why don't you are not even
I'm
smiling?
not
It's not
talk.
good manners.
I'm not.
You're
gonna-
doing like this, like
You-
this, like this, like this.
You like this, like you want it to be funny or not? Do it my way.
Funny.
And then do it my way.
Say hi.
I'm not gonna.
थोड़ा सा समोर है ना so that they can see. थोड़ा सा समोर. Samor. What is this? Not listening to me, bitch. prettiest you have ever looked?
Are we done?
No.
Okay,
Let's